Still have turkey in the fridge? Run out of ideas of what to do with it? Chef Shahir Massoud has some tasty suggestions this morning. Good morning to you.
Morning, Annette. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
So we're talking, we're moving away from leftovers, Annette. Talking about reinventing that turkey that's still in your fridge. It's still good for up to 3 to 4 days. So before you make pot pies and soups and freezable stuff, use up that turkey into quick weeknight meals. Today we're doing a quick pasta Putanesta, one of my favorites, with capers and olives and tomatoes. And I've started, Annette, with the garlic and the capers, sauteing in olive oil. And that's a little secret. I like to cook out the capers so they get crispy. They kind of mellow out their brininess. And a lot of recipes call for capers at the end. I think you should cook them out to start your dish. So a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of those capers, and then I'm going to go in with the cherry tomatoes to break out their juices and let those juices kind of build a foundation of a little sauce. So the cherry tomatoes in, the heat is going to increase to a little bit higher to release those juices. To the tomatoes, I'll add a little passata, strained tomatoes, again to build that foundation of the sauce. I think passata should be in everyone's pantry. It's a go-to for quick sauces and stews, stuff like that. So already, it smells really good. You get the acidity from the tomatoes, you get the brininess from the olives, from the capers, and then we'll go with the olives. So it's really salty, really savory, this dish. And now you have your leftover turkey, and Annette, you've worked hard. You've made sure your turkey's not overcooked. So why overcook your leftovers? You want to build your sauce and then just add the turkey just to warm it through. We're not
just
trying
to
to
heat
dry
it
it
up, right? Yeah.
Exactly. You've made it this far. So get the turkey in kind of right at the end. I'm going to put a splash of white wine. It is the morning. Just
That's all right. Oh, we've been up for hours.
Oh, so you're ready. You're ready.
We're ready for that.
Get your pasta in there. I love a shape, like a fusilli or, an intricate shape that'll soak up all the sauce. Mm-hmm. And then at the very end, I mean, this is all super quick, right? At the very end, cold butter. And this is actually a French technique called monter au beurre, which is to end the sauce with butter. And you swirl it in to emulsify so that it doesn't kind of separate. It creates a glossy, beautiful, thick sauce. We got the butter at the end. You get the cheese, of course, and fresh herbs. For a pasta puttanesca, I think fresh basil and fresh parsley, those are your two friends. And fresh is best, not talking about the dry stuff. So this is a quick recipe. Oh, I forgot. Some chili flake if you're into that kind of thing. Chili flake, everyone? Let me check the house.
Sure.
Cairo?
Yes, please.
My 5-year-old? Yes? Chili flake. There you go. Let's make it spicy for the youngster before school. Get a little chili flake in there. So, when you think about it, this is balanced. A little bit of heat, a little bit of saltiness from the capers and the olives, a little sweetness and acidity from the tomatoes. A really, really well-balanced dish. Lots of leftover recipes on butterball.ca. And again, we're kind of moving away from leftovers and talking about reinventing.
Yeah. So there's no food waste at all. And I got to ask you, can you freeze turkey that's cooked? Is it okay to do that?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I think turkey is great in your fridge for 3 to 4 days after the fact. I think we're on like day 2 after Thanksgiving now. So by all means, quick pastas, sandwiches, quick stuff like that. And after that, once you approach day 3 or 4, think about batch cooking. Make a big pot pie, make a stew, make a turkey a la king and freeze it. So this is the time to think about batch cooking and then freeze off that turkey after 3 to 4 days.
Okay, because of all the work that's gone into the turkey. Chef, thanks very much for joining us, and we'll get the info up on our website, chch.com.
Thanks, Annette.
Enjoy.
Have a great day.